there's a nasty little rumor going around the internet that you brine chicken in pickle juice. So we've tried it with chicken wings. I've never tried it, so it's gonna be interesting to find out. An experiment. Last night I brined, I guess you call it brine, or in pickle juice, so I don't know if it's pickling. I put them in this brine last night, so it smells like pickle. They don't look pickled, they look good actually. They look legit. So what pickle juice really is salt and sugar and some sort of solution, and then we're going to smoke them. So we load up this little bad boy, we plug it into the wall, and then put it in this sealed chamber where we can control everything. We can control how much moisture stays in it, goes out, whatever. So we'll cook it slow and low and smoke them for 3 hours, and then at the end we'll take them out, we'll let them cool off, and then when we want to pick them up for service, we'll just fire up the heat really quickly, and then we'll get the outside like nice and crispy, and it should be very tasty. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Now we're gonna stick the wings in the smoke box that we made. I know this isn't the purest way. This is all we have. We can't have like open flames and burning logs and shit. We're not allowed to. So, but this is actually much easier and so much more controlled. So I have it 60%, and I'll show you the 60% humidity and 65 degrees Celsius, because I don't want the chicken to get overcooked at all. I want it to be perfectly cooked, and then at the end we'll just like fire up the temperature to get the skin crispy. So these are the pickle juice marinated chicken wings. I just toss them in a tiny bit of oil, and then that's it. And just spray the racks so they don't stick. Our smoke box is working. We'll come over here and set a timer for 3 hours. That's it. We'll see you in 3 hours. These have smoked for 3 hours, these chicken wings. They're on the actual racks, so that, you know, obviously the smoke can get up from underneath it. This oven down here is on at 240, it's quite hot. So all I want to do is get the skin crispy. So it's a screaming hot oven. The chicken is already at 65 degrees Celsius, which is just where you want it to be. It's not overcooked, it's been kind of slow smoked. So let's get it into the next oven. Whew. Oh, it smells so good. Smoked chicken. The skin is nice and tight and rendered, so it should crisp up very quickly. We didn't even need the 5 minutes. His brother's gonna go out now. It's 4 minutes. I'm gonna take them out. They are looking good without not make a mess. There we go. Our smoked, crispy chicken wings. What do you think, Jaleel? How they look?
Look amazing. I love the
They sound
char.
good too.
Yeah, crackling.
That's it. Now, I realize you can't smoke like this at home, but you kind of can. If you have a fan in your oven, you can crack the oven and just do that low temperature smoke. Then take them out, crank your oven up, put them in. Don't leave them in and then turn your oven up, because you'll just overcook them. As the oven comes up, it'll be cooking the crap out of them. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's the first try. First try. And they feel too hot to eat now, but the skin is like, it almost looks like Peking duck skin.
Yeah.
It's really thin, really dark, but not burnt. Yum. Jaleel, how are the wings?
It's good. Really good. It's crispy. You get the lovely taste of that pickling sauce. Really good.
Would you brine chicken with pickle juice again?
Hell yeah. It's a great combination.
Would you smoke chicken in the rationale again?
Probably yes. Just makes sense. Yeah. It's easier.